Hey everyone, it's Justin Benz, your go-to Sarasota real estate agent. Here you see behind me, Legends Cove. This is a brand new community here in Bradenton, just next to IMG. This is going to be a Lennar build. They're building two models of coach home in the $500,000 range, anywhere from 1,700 up to 2,100 square feet. So they're just actively starting to sell. Let's go check it out. So to kind of hone in and give you your bearings, we are just down the street from this Medallion Homes build, Aqua, which I've done a few videos on. I'll post a link right here. We're right across from Legends Bay, as you see in your picture. Obviously there's Sarasota Bay on the other end and Longboat in the distance. And finally we pan into Legends Cove, which is this Lennar build with the coach homes. So if you're not familiar with coach homes, it's a pretty unique concept, kind of interesting in that there's 4 units per building, 2 downstairs units and 2 upstairs units. Here at Legends Cove, we're going to have a 1,741 square foot and a 2,100 square foot unit available for purchase. Here's the floor plans as we kind of fly over what the buildings look like. And just to clarify, the Bay Creek is the one at 2,100 square feet, and the Arrowhead comes in at 1,741 square feet. So according to their site map here at Lennar Legends Cove, there's going to be 56 units available for sale. Again, this is so new, they're actually selling out of a trailer here on site. So if you do want some more information, you want to set up a tour, you want to go through the models and the buildable options, give me a call so I can set that up for you. Text me on this number, 941-999-0364, and we'll go from there. Again, location-wise, it is very ideal if you're going to IMG Academy, if you got a kid there, if you want to be in between the beach and Sarasota Airport or downtown Sarasota. And again, with only 56 units available, I would recommend jumping on one of these. If this is something you're interested in, do not hesitate to reach out, 941-999-0364.